Press the power switch to light up the LED light inside the machine and operate the control panel to enter display status. Place the oiled basin on the heating plate. Place the oiling fixture loaded with oiled products on the tray holder. Set the product's parameter and press Auto Operate to inject oil automatically. Place the whole plate of PET mouthpiece packed by EPE on the oiling fixture, which has been filled with oil, and the mouthpiece automatically connects with the atomizer through the guide plate. Press the power switch to light up the LED light inside the machine. Open the machine and put the oiling fixture on the adjustable plate. Press Start button and complete the automatic covering. Take the oiling fixture out of the machine, remove the EPE in guide plate, and pack.